Hey, I think I hear something. Yeah, I do too. I think it's the police helicopter. I wonder what's going on. Maybe there's an emergency in town and I've got to go. I don't think so. Look, Chase. Hi guys, Disney Toys Review here. Today we have a story with Paw Patrol. Hi guys, I'm Rubble. I love working at the construction site. I can't wait to show you so many fun, mighty machines. I know you've all seen my bulldozer, but there are lots more mighty machines to see. Let's take a look. This is a dump truck. It carries lots of heavy loads in the bed of the truck. This one's full of kinetic sand, but it can carry rocks and boulders and all sorts of things. Let's see how it works. Come on! Dump, dump, dump. Dump, dump, dump. Dump, dump, dump. Dump, dump, dump. Here it goes. It's a really good dumper, isn't it? I'm sure you're wondering how you load a dump truck. Well, let me show you. You can use a wheel loader, a backhoe, an excavator. Oh, I'm getting ahead of myself. Let's bring in the next mighty machine. The excavator loves to turn and it loves to dig. It can raise the arm or the beam. Let's watch it dig now. Whoa, look at that strong, mighty machine. He can go right around me. Wow! I wonder where he's going. Let's go check it out. The excavator is filling up the dump truck. He loves to carry heavy loads. Look at him fill the dump truck. Fill, fill, fill. Fill, fill, fill. Fill, fill, fill. He's filling the dump truck. Now the dump truck is ready to take another load of sand. So fun! This is one of my favorites. It's a backhoe. A backhoe has a scoop at the front and a scoop at the back. So cool! With the scoop at the front, we can dig up all sorts of things. We could load them into dump trucks or just move them around the construction site. He loves to dig. He has some stabilizers in the back to keep him sturdy for heavy jobs. Let's check out how the back scoop digs. It can stretch its beam way far out. And look at that scoop. He's working so hard. He's great at digging holes. Move along, backhoe. We have more things to do and more things to see. We still have several more mighty machines to look at. Let me show you what's next. Wow, look at the crane. Let's put down the stabilizers. A crane can lift really heavy objects. The arm raises up and down. You can also extend the boom. Whoa, it goes so far. You can release the line too. Now we can pick up something really heavy. I bet it can pick up me. Wow, this is fun. Whee! I'm so high up. Wow, cranes are really mighty machines. Let's see what else we have. Let's take a look at a bulldozer. A bulldozer can push lots of kinetic sand. They have tracks to get over all sorts of tough terrain. They also have the rippers in the back. That means they can make holes. I think bulldozers are my favorite. That's why I love driving one. Next, we have a cement truck. I'd love to see cement trucks in action. Let's check it out. A cement truck has a barrel that rolls and keeps the cement moving until we're ready to pour. When they're ready, they just move the chute into place. And then they can pump out the cement. You can pour cement for foundations and for roads and for all sorts of building projects. Cement trucks are super cool and very useful. Making a road would not be complete if you didn't have a steamroller. Let's check out the steamroller now. Check out the steamroller. It's articulated. That means it can move back and forth. It has a barrel that turns to smooth down the road. Let's see what it can do. Look at how smooth the road is. I love all these mighty machines. Hey, Marshall. Hey, Chase. What are you doing? I just brought my police crews over here because I heard we're talking about rescue heroes. Oh, cool. I brought my fire trucks. We love rescue vehicles and rescue heroes. We can't wait to learn more about them. Yeah, I can't wait. Let's get started. There are lots of different kinds of police cars. We see police cruisers most often. They stop people from driving dangerously. They can also help for different kinds of disturbances. That's super cool. Let's see your first vehicle, Marshall. Okay. Hey, that looks just like the one I just showed you. Yeah, that's a fire chief's vehicle. He can get to different scenes and get around to investigate fires. There's also police vans. We also have SWAT vans to bring in the SWAT teams. Oh, SWAT teams are so cool. Yeah, they help us in lots of dangerous situations. Wow, like what? You know, like hold-ups, hostage situations, that kind of thing. Cool. Let me show you our next one. Whoa! These are great for working in the city. You can connect using all this different equipment to the city water supply. Then you can bring out your hoses and put the fire out. There's even a ladder for some rescues. The ladder can extend. It can also raise up and down and turn side to side. Whoa! That's really cool, Marshall. Thanks, Chase. Let's see your next vehicle. Here's another police vehicle. We can use this to get over rougher terrain, maybe to rescue someone who's gotten lost in the wilderness. We love the lights that are on top of all our rescue vehicles. Yeah, why do they have lights and sirens? Do you know? I sure do. We use lights and sirens to warn people that we're coming. We come pretty fast and we need people to pull out of our way because it's usually an emergency. An emergency? And if you have an emergency, you're going to want someone to come really fast. That's true. So make sure to check when you hear a siren and get out of the emergency vehicle's way. Hey, what do I do when I have an emergency? Oh, that's easy. You just call 911. 911? Yeah, when you call 911, you can tell them everything that's going on and they'll figure out who they need to send. So, like if my cat is stuck in a tree, I should call 911? Oh no. 911 we use for emergencies. So what's an emergency? When someone really needs help. You have a fire, you see a neighbor having a fire, someone gets hurt, like I skinned my knee? No, like you broke your arm hurt. Oh, okay. So call 911 when you have a real emergency. That's right. Here's another fire truck. This one has a ladder. This one we use when we need to rescue someone that's really high up. Someone staying in a large apartment building. Wow, we can get all the way up the ladder to the top of the building. Super fun! There are so many fun rescue vehicles. Do you have another one to show us, Chase? I sure do. I think you'll like this one a lot. Really? Cool, let's see. Whoa, check it out. It's a police helicopter. The police helicopter can monitor different situations from the air. It can even keep track of runaway vehicles. Do you guys have helicopters too? We sure do. Those are great for forest fires. Ooh, forest fires. Yeah, we can dump water right on top of the fire and help the firefighters. Wow, cool. There's so many different kinds of emergency rescue vehicles. There sure is. There's also ambulances that help us when we're sick or hurt. Yeah, that's right. Do you have any more cool fire engines? I sure do. Let me show you a couple more. Whoa! This tanker truck can carry lots of water. That's great for a fire. It has all sorts of tubes and hoses to be able to hook up and pump out. Wow, check out the ambulance. This is great for anyone who needs assistance. This gets you to the hospital super fast. The patient can ride here in the back with emergency services. And then we also have a driver. Let's not forget about fireboats. We have lots of different kinds of boats that go on the water. We can put out different kinds of fires and provide rescue services. There's so many rescue heroes we have in our cities. There sure are, and we have lots of fun vehicles to help us get the job done. Wow, we love being rescue heroes. We sure do. Hey, I think I hear something. Yeah, I do too. I think it's the police helicopter. I wonder what's going on. Maybe there's an emergency in town and I've got to go. I don't think so. Look, Chase. I can't wait to check out the surprise. Me either. I love Kinder Surprise eggs. Whoa, so much yummy chocolate. Cool, it's from The Secret Life of Pets too. Ah, it's Gidget. Let's put on the rubber band. Oh, fun. We can use her to knock over one of the bad kitties. Whoa, she really shoots it across the room. What a fun surprise. You're a rescue hero just like us. Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned right here on Disney Toys Review for more videos with your favorite toys.